little bit.
It's not right.
So it comes off
It's
easier.
moving around on you, that's the fucking problem. Oh my god, this is not going to be good. This is not going to be good, it's not coming off on you.
A little bit, maybe. The procedure. I guess sometimes...
It's not here, it's not come off at all.
I guess it's like a hit or miss.
Wait.
But they're just gonna come off or not. So it's like a...
It's all come off.
So it's like a cookie, basically.
It's the 50 peso cookie.
It's a 50 peso cookie. the 50 peso cookie, guys. That looks like she would be more than 50 pesos.
No. It looks like she's got rigor mortis. It looks like she's dead. So that's probably a free cookie. But it looks like most of the girls outside Balibago, so. But not for long. Bed's clean, bed's tidy. You can cook. I like it, it's alright.
Turn on the lights.
And the staff are really helpful and kind, you know.
So how much is this per month, this room?
I got it through booking.com, didn't I? I paid 300 for 3 weeks.
300 for 3 weeks?
I don't know what that works out.
What do you mean 300 for 3 weeks?
Well, it's like, that's probably, so, 200, 20,000 for 3 weeks.
20,000? I don't know what those switches over here. What's under here? The garbage and I don't know what that metal box is. God. This is like a little this is for long term. This is basically if like you're living here basically.
It's, that's what I mean. I paid 21,000, yeah, for 3 weeks.
Oh, 21 for 3 weeks.
But if you stay here for a month, yeah, it's only 20,000.
It's gonna be 20.
Which is less.
That's, yeah, that doesn't make any sense. So they didn't prorate it basically.
Well, no, because I didn't book it here. I booked it through .com.
Oh yeah, that's why.
You don't get that option through .com, you know?
Yeah, you don't get that option there. That's about the highest the pressure can go, I think. That's pretty strong, the bottom one. It's got bum gun. It just maybe looks a little bit. You think it's a little bit outdated? Like how old this building is? You think?
Huh?
You think this building like how old is this building? You think? Got a fridge. Bed. Aircon, and you said something about the aircon before? You said something about the aircon? Aircon's decent. Got a
So you always
closet
know
over
when
there.
someone's lying to you. Yeah, when they're messaging you, and then
We have a little balcony out here, but it's not the greatest of views in the world.
He's doing a big view of the stuff.
So it does have a balcony. It does have a little balcony.
Oh, James, oh my God.
How's this?
You can dance for me later. Hmm?
Where?
Yeah.
In there?
Yeah. I don't believe you. I don't believe you come anyway. You tell me yesterday you come, but you don't come. I just put, come here. Honey, come here.
Do you think it's good long term for my skin though? That's the only thing.
I know you like that. You would like that.
Yeah, do you still have one?
It's a nice building. And this is the view. And it's about 10-minute walk maybe from Red Street, I would say.
Yeah, well, yeah, 10 minutes from Red Street.
Yeah, Two-Door Street would be right there, right down there, and then you just make a right. So it's not bad. It's a nice breeze up here.